and sir, good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family. I hope that you are in good condition while watching my video. I am Lenny Alminiana, 29 years old, high school graduate, and I'm a single. I am in the 6 and 9 children.
Okay, so Lenny, can you tell me your working experience?
I've been working for 3 years in Lebanon, and they have 4 kids, all is adults, and I'm also preparing for them foods like breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
And your second working experience?
My second experience is in Abu Dhabi for 4 years, but I finished my contract also, and I've been taking the children for 3 kids. I'm preparing their foods and their clothes also for going to school.
Okay, so meaning to say you're a very well experienced lady, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the reason behind why you want to go again in Hong Kong?
I want to earn more money for my future and for my family, especially for my parents.
Okay, so you're still single, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't have plan to get married at the age of 29?
Maybe someday, ma'am.
Okay, but not now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about cooking, no problem with you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about taking care of pets, no problem also?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how about doing car washing? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have experience.
So now the future employer is watching and listening to you. What you can say something to the future employer?
Hello, sir and ma'am. I know it's hard. It's hard for you to select a domestic helper. I'm here applying and promise that if you will hire me, I will promise to do all my responsibility, and I'm hard working.
Okay, so are you physically fit right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Anytime are you ready to be there in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.